Before we take a look at building analysis screens, we're going to just kind of do an overview of analysis and take a look at some of the basic things that it does in some of the terms. So to do that, I'm going into the impromptu analysis screen on the demo. And we see a pie chart here. Here are some of the settings, and we'll go through these. So plan downtime exclude. And that can be removed and it can be added. We go down to plan downtime exclude. So basically what that's doing is removing all breaks and lunches from these downtime results and just showing the recordable downtime. And then we have compare by line. So if I remove that, we'll just get one pie because it's not breaking it up into sections. So I'll put line back in, but we could easily make it, we could put day in there instead. And we'll break it out by day. Go back to line. And then what data points do we want to see? Now because this is a pie chart, we're only going to see the first data point because pie charts just show one data point. But if I go over to bar, I can see the occurrences and I can see the downtime minutes. And if I remove the occurrences, I'll just get the downtime minutes. And I can add something else like the run elapsed time. Now we get an error message because we say plan downtime exclude is not applicable for the selected data point run elapsed time. Because the elapsed time is the entire run, so you don't exclude plan downtime. So if we remove that, then we get our results, and we're getting the run elapsed time and we're getting our downtime minutes. Let's take a look at another item here. Go to OEE, and we're seeing each of the OEE quality, performance, availability in the OEE. That's our data points. We see it broken out by shift. 1, 2, 3. That's our compare by. If I go over to the table, I see that same information. Only I could add shift and then by line. So it shows me the shift and then the line and then the values. So I can add all kinds of filters to this. Work orders, operators, hour of run, all kinds of things like that. Area, exclude your active runs. So if you only want to see runs that have completed and not any runs that are in process, by default it will show you runs in process provided you are in the current date range. And it will update every minute or so. And or I can filter by any other items. I can do a number of compare bys, and I have all kinds of data points that I can add. So when we go into the screens and start building some of these screens, these items right here are very important. So we're going to typically come into this screen, build what sort of analysis we want, and then take these items and put them into the properties into screens that we're making up as dashboards, for example.